Hey, I'm Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you 4 different ways to make Christmas cookies from one batch of dough. You're not going to want to miss this. These are the perfect Christmas drop sugar cookies because you can easily change up the flavors. I'm showing you how to make 4 different variations from one dough. All your Christmas cookies in one day. I'm going to show you how to make them with M&Ms. I'm going to show you how to make them red and green sugar, sprinkle cookies, and blossom cookies. 4 recipes from one dough, perfect for Christmas. If you love delicious desserts, be sure to subscribe to my channel. We're going to start our sugar cookie dough with butter. I'm using unsalted butter, 3 sticks, because this makes a lot of cookies. Make sure that it's room temperature or softened. I like to leave mine out for a couple of hours before I make the cookies. You're going to also add sugar. Now we're going to cream the butter and the sugar for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. I'm going to add 2 large eggs and my secret ingredient for making chewy sugar cookies, egg yolks. Add baking soda, cream of tartar, salt, vanilla extract. Mix that up until it's nice and smooth. And then you're going to add the flour. I'm just using all-purpose flour. Go ahead and mix that in. Start slow so it doesn't end up all over your counter, and mix it until there's a nice thick cookie dough. One of the things I love about this dough recipe is you don't need to chill it. Once it's mixed, you can just scoop and bake it. It makes it super easy and fast. Now that we're done making the base cookie dough, we're going to make our variations. So to make your sugar-coated cookies, we're going to put some red and green sugar in a bowl. Go ahead and scoop your cookie dough, roll it into a ball, and then roll them into either the green or the red sugar and place it on your cookie sheet. You can pop those in a 350-degree oven, 5 minutes, then rotate the pan, bake for another 5 minutes. Right about 10, they'll be done. You want to err on the side of just under done with these cookies because they'll finish cooking as they cool and they'll stay nice and soft and chewy. All right, next I'm going to make M&M cookies out of my sugar cookies. So I picked up a bag of Christmas M&Ms. It's just red and green. You can use any color that you want. And you're just going to scoop your cookie dough balls and place them on your cookie sheet. And then stick about 6 to 8 M&Ms on the top of each cookie. For the blossom cookies, today I picked up some of those peppermint Hershey's Kisses, but you could use any flavor that you want. Go ahead and just scoop 1 tablespoon balls of cookie dough, place them on your cookie sheet, bake them off. Now when they come out of the oven, that's when you make the blossom. Just go ahead and press a Hershey's Kiss in the center of each cookie. And now for our final version of sugar cookie, I'm gonna make my favorite cookies, sprinkle cookies. Now I've made these with rainbow sprinkles. I've made them for Valentine's Day. These ones I'm using some Christmas sprinkles. This time of year you can find them at any grocery store or craft store. And all you're gonna do is with the leftover dough that's in your bowl, you're gonna add sprinkles. Go ahead and stir those in, and then use a 1 or tablespoon cookie scoop to scoop them onto your cookie sheets. Bake them just like the others, and then you have 4 different kinds of sugar cookie from one dough. Make all of your Christmas cookies from one recipe. It's super easy. Look how delicious they are. From the M&Ms to the sprinkles and the crunchy sugar cookies and the blossom cookies, these are sure to be a hit with your family. I also love to freeze them. These are gonna go into my freezer until Christmas. If we don't eat them first, I'll be using them as gifts too. Do me a favor, leave me a comment and let me know which of these is gonna be your favorite. I'm gonna go package up these cookies for the freezer while you watch the next video.